Good morning and welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry and I'm just going to show you around this very special 911. This is a 2023 Carrera GTS with 8,800 and some miles on it. It's finished in a very special Arctic Grey, which I think was one of the launch colours on the GT4 RS. Looks absolutely insane. And this car has probably one of the highest levels of spec I've ever seen on a 911, especially on a 992. One owner, two owners, I think it's two owners, and then you've got full Porsche history. It's actually about to go into Porsche York for its first service. So let's start talking about the spec. One bit you can't see, but it does have is factory front end PPF. So front bumper, wings, bonnet, all covered in factory PPF. You've got the PDLS Plus, the Porsche Dynamic Lighting System Plus with matrix LEDs. Obviously things like front and rear parking sensors. It's also got 360 cameras on this. One of the big ones, PCCB, Porsche Ceramic Composite Braking System. A very expensive, very rare option on these. No brake dust. The life of those discs is much longer than your standard discs. They don't make any noise, so some people don't like these because they squeak, things like that. These do not. Drive absolutely insane. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's all around, which are almost like new. These lovely 20 and 21 inch staggered satin black alloy wheels with the centre locks. Now, the centre locks on these are notorious for aging badly and oxidising. However, these are absolutely stunning. You've got some of the Porsche livery on the side there. Your carbon upper door caps on there, which wraps all the way around. Get a nice view from inside. You'll notice your 3 dots there, which is your blind spot monitoring. The all-important panoramic glass roof. Not to mention, obviously, the Aerokit. For me, this is literally just the perfect daily sports car. Sorry, I've left the keys in, it's locked itself. Yeah, just absolutely perfect spec on this. Obviously, you've got the full black exterior pack. You've got the smoked rear lights with that iconic bar light at the back. All of your badges in matte black. Sports exhaust on this, a switchable sports exhaust. Condition of this thing is absolutely amazing. I think there was one very small mark in the PPF. Other than that, it has been really well looked after. Collected it yesterday from the gentleman at his house. Pride of place in his heated garage. It's never been left outside. Just an insane example of this. Right, so let's show you more on the interior. It's the full GTS interior. Extended leather and Alcantara absolutely everywhere. The 18-way sport seats plus, obviously with driver's memory. You've got crayon seat belts, GTS embroidery in the headrests. Centre console in leather with a contrast stitching. Ambient lighting. These bits I can't remember. I feel like that's not a standard thing, but I might be wrong. Maybe you can tell me in the comments if I am. Centre armrest race text with the Porsche embossed into there. Race text roof lining, obviously panoramic roof. GT steering wheel. Obviously you've got your sport chrono. All of your drive modes. Oh, also the black brushed aluminium door sills of the Carrera GTS in there as well. So jumping on into the interior, the all-important BOSE as well. One thing I don't understand about some of the comments on these guys, they don't sound very good. Driving this yesterday, between 4,000 and 7,000 RPM, this thing sounds absolutely insane. I think it sounds amazing. On here, you've got all your ambient lighting, comfort access, and down here, front end lift. got your sports exhaust, Porsche dynamic chassis control, really rare option on these as well. All of your chrono, Apple CarPlay, sat-nav navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, etc, etc. All of your chrono stuff in there. If you go into car, in the drive, you've got all of your drive mode select, sports exhaust, chassis control, etc. And then you're in your assistances, lane keep assist. This one has got the adaptive cruise control with pilot assist, so where it sort of steers for you, keeps its distance and everything like that. The steering wheel, heated Racetex GT steering wheel, just the perfect spec. I'm probably missing loads of bits off here, but yeah, it's big. On there, you've obviously got all of your Racetex underneath and all up the roof. All of the top of the dashboard in leather with that contrast stitching. Obviously adaptive LEDs, speed limit display. On here you've got night view assist, that's another thing. I must admit, I don't see the point in that, but you know, if you want to see in the dark, you can. G-force meters, etc, etc, TPMS, power, blah blah blah. Anyway, on this side you've got your mileage there, 8,818 miles. Just the perfect daily for me, this. Whoever buys this has bought probably the nicest 911 to drive every day that I've come across. I mean, the colour's outstanding. The Aerokit, PCCBs, very special car. I think there's well over £30,000 worth of options on this car. We're just sort of doing the write-up on this one as we speak, but an insane level of specification. It's essentially got almost every single option ticked. You're never ever going to be able to find another one quite like this, I don't think. Very rare to come across something this well spec'd, even for us. But there you go, that is our 2023 Porsche 992 Carrera GTS, finished in Arctic Grey. Absolutely insane car. If you are interested in this, I would advise acting quickly, because I doubt this is gonna hang around for very long at all. So if you are interested, please do give one of the team here at Kingsbridge a call. We'll be more than happy to help. And if you want the full details with the full spec below, because I know I've missed a few bits off there off the top of my head, but we will put a link to the advert in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you on the next one. Cheers.